Hey everybody, Chris Eggleston here, and today I want to share with you a quick tutorial on how you can change the submit button text once the form is submitted. And the reason you may want to do this is if you have a bit of a delay when the form gets submitted. Maybe you've got a lot of feeds to process, maybe your website's just a little bit slow. And Gravity Forms does display a AJAX spinning wheel when you click submit, but sometimes you can't see it. It's hard to notice, maybe, or maybe due to a conflict with your website, it's not displaying, whatever reason. And a lot of people get concerned that if you're not seeing, if the user doesn't think that the form is submitting, then they'll just keep clicking the button and create duplicate submissions. Gravity Forms does have a built-in functionality to prevent double click of the button. But again, in this case, if you want to change the button text so that once it's clicked, it's very obvious that the form is submitting, so people can just stand by and wait for that confirmation. I'm going to show you what that looks like here in this tutorial, and then how to easily do that with Gravity Forms. All right, so I've got this simple form here and filled it out. Now, this may go fast, so you got to watch the submit button as I do this. But you'll notice once I click submit, the message is going to change. Okay, again, it's kind of fast. I don't have much of a delay, but it just says sending, please stand by, and when the button changes. Okay, so we can do that again. You can see how that works. All right, so how do you do that? Well, very simply, there is a tutorial that I've written about this at gravityranger.com, and I've linked to it in the description below this video. So you can just click on that and go get the code. But I'm going to show you basically how it works. So here is the code snippet. Credits going to Gravity Forms doc site and their documentation they provided. I've grabbed a snippet that was there and made some slight modification to it. But this is basically the code snippet that you need, and again, it's available from gravityranger.com by using the link below this video. I do recommend that you use a solution like WP Codebox, also a link in the description to that plugin, for adding functionality code to your website as opposed to using a theme functions.php file, just because that code then becomes dependent on your theme. So it's nice to use a functionality plugin. So basically, you're going to take this code snippet, and this code snippet here will apply to all submit buttons on your website. So however many forms you have built with Gravity Forms, this will apply. They will all show the same message. But you just add this code snippet to your site, and then once that's done, that's all you got to do. You can change the button text here. So in this case, my button text is sending, please wait, ... You could change that to anything that you want, essentially, in the code. And again, that's explained in the full tutorial if you click the link below this video. Anyway, I hope that's helpful. If it's something you've been looking for, this is a clean, simple way to implement a message so that people can see that the button has been clicked, that the form is processing, and they can just stand by. All right. Hope to see you back here for additional tutorials and videos on ways to better use Gravity Forms. In the meantime, feel free to always check out gravityranger.com, where we create lots of content there with how-tos and suggestions and problem solving for Gravity Forms. All right. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.